Thank you for watching this video. For more information, knowledge and facts on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to get instant update.
Aphorism 1. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health. To cure, as it is termed.
This is a footnote I added to this aphorism to elaborate my point. Physician's mission is not to construct so-called systems by interweaving empty speculations and hypotheses concerning the internal essential nature of the vital processes and the mode in which diseases originate in the interior of the organism, whereon so many physicians have wasted their talents and their time. His mission is not to attempt to give countless explanations regarding the phenomena in diseases and their proximate cause, wrapped in unintelligible words and an inflated abstract mode of expression, which sound very learned in order to astonish the ignorant, whilst sick humanity sighs in vain for aid. Of such learned reveries, to which the name of theoretic medicine is given, and for which special professorships are instituted, we have had quite enough. And it is now high time that all who call themselves physicians should at length cease to deceive suffering mankind with mere talk, and begin now really to help and to cure.
Thank you for watching this video at Organon of Medicine. I am sure you must have subscribed this channel. You can watch more related videos here now, especially created for you.